Hello, greetings mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers na nanonood po ngayon sa ating FB Live online telescopic viewing worldwide and netwide, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-sky watcher and ka-spacer, Sir Jun Kahigal. And welcome again po sa ating FB Live online telescopic viewing. And for today, this early morning of Feb 3 ngayon, 2024, we are observing the last quarter moon. Ayan po, tuwid na tuwid po yung terminator niya, no? So, pag sinabi ko pong terminator, this is the imaginary line separating the lighted part of the moon, yung illuminated part, from the unlit part. So, the moon now is 50% illuminated. Ayan, no? So, parang half circle po yung ating buwan ngayon, this early morning of Feb 3, 2024. So sa dalawang sky watchers na nanonood po ngayon, maraming salamat po. Yan, and namnamin po natin ang ganda ng buwan tong early morning. Ayan, no? So pasensya na po, hindi ko na magnify, yun po yung limit ng aking camera. Pero we can see details of the lunar surface. Ayan, nakitang-kita po yung Copernicus crater na napakaganda po. Ayan, so the Copernicus crater is about 93 kilometers wide, yung kanyang diameter, and about 3 kilometers deep. Ayan, no? So napakalaking crater po niya, mas malaki pa ata yung Copernicus crater sa Las Piñas. Alright, and we can see also some parts of the Apennine mountain range. Ito po nasa baba. Ayan, no? So, the Apennine mountain range, Montes Apenninus mountain range. Ayan po, no, halos nasa baba siya ni Copernicus crater. Ayan, kitang-kita yung konting bahagi na lang niya, no? Alright, and we can see here dark patches of the moon. Ang tawag po natin dyan ay Mares or Marias. Mga patag po yan ng buwan, no? Yung mga dark areas na yan, those are lunar plains. Pero ang tawag ay Mares or Marias. The word Mares, Maria, is a Latin word which means dagat, no? Kasi po yung mga unang astronomers, yung mga unang sailors, they thought na yung mga dark patches na yan were bodies of water. Kaya they gave the name Mares or Marias. Pero ano yan po, mga lunar plains, mga patag po yan. And yung mga bright areas, those are lunar highlands and impact craters. And very distinct, no? Very visible yung Copernicus crater na nakikita niyo ngayon on screen. Alright, ayan po, napakalinaw ng ating ginagamit na telescope. So I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. So pag sinabi natin reflecting telescope, the telescope uses mirrors to collect light from the distant object. Okay, si Isaac Newton po nag-design ng reflecting telescope. The other type of telescope is called a refractor, no, which uses lenses to collect light and to produce the magnified image of the distant object. The refractor was first developed by Hans Lippershey and was greatly improved by Galileo. Alright, actually si Galileo yung unang nakakita nito, itong mga lunar features na to using that telescope. Pero si Galileo hindi po siya nag-invento ng telescope. The telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey. Alright, so sa mga bagong nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing, we are observing the last quarter moon. Alright, so ano na tayo, no? Waning phase tayo. So tomorrow and sa mga susunod na araw, magiging ano na to, waning crescent until na mag new moon. Actually, ang new moon po sa Chinese New Year, no? Feb 10 ang ating new moon, no? Pag new moon, the moon will not be visible. Ayan, no? Alright. So, again, mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers natin out there, so just like and share this online telescope viewing, no, para makarating po sa maraming tao. No, lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there so that they would be engaged and they would be inspired to love the sciences. Yan po, no, i-like and share po natin to para marami pong makakita kasi karamihan po sa atin ay tulog. Ayan, no, masarap ang tulog kasi malamig. Alright, so i-like and share po natin to para makita din po ng ating mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers yung ganda ng last quarter moon. And don't forget also to follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. And isabit nyo na rin po yung aming Facebook page, the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers. Alright, so just comment down below, mag-comment po kayo kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging this early morning of Feb 3, 2024. Yan, napakalinaw po ng image na binibigay nitong Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. And kitang-kita po yung Copernicus crater. So, anong masasabi niyo po mga ka-sky watchers sa Copernicus crater? Again, this crater is 93 kilometers across and about 3 kilometers deep. Aba, kung ganyan po yung dimensions ng Copernicus crater, talagang malulunod ang Las Piñas dyan sa loob. And tuwid na tuwid po yung Terminator. No? Talagang this is the last quarter moon. So yung Terminator po na sinasabi ko, that's the imaginary line that separates the illuminated part of the moon, which is 50%, and the unlit part of the moon, which is also 50%. Kaya nakikita natin sa image ay half circle po yung moon. Ayan, no? Alright, so shoutout po sa dalawang sky watchers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing. And again po, pakiusap ko po sa inyong lahat to just like and share this online telescope viewing para makita naman po ng mga tao. Yan, kasi karamihan po sa atin tulog pa. Yan. No, para pagising nila, makikita nila yung ganda ng ating last quarter moon. Alright, so I want to take this opportunity also to plug in some of our activities kasi ang Sky Watchers Society together with the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers ng San Beda University, we are planning for the National Astronomy Week. Ang National Astronomy Week will be on Feb 18. It will start at Feb 18 sa linggo po yan. And it will end Feb 24. Ayan, Saturday. So, 1 week po yung celebration ng National Astronomy Week. Actually, nasa batas po yan. Ang nag-i-spearhead po niyan ay Pag-asa actually. Yan. Pero nakikisama po ang Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas together with the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers in the celebration of National Astronomy Week. And may mga activities mo na nakaline up po sa amin. Magsisimula yan sa Feb 16. May talk na ibibigay ang aming kasama na si Mr. Dudes Perea sa Saints Co Marikina. Ayan, so he was invited there to give a lecture. Ayan, so congratulations and shout out kay Mr. Dudes Perea. Ayan, he will be giving a talk doon. Alright, so 16 po yan. Alright, then on Feb 17, meron din po kaming ibibigay na stargazing activity with the homeschoolers naman. I forgot the name of the homeschooling group. Pero yung activity po ay gagawin sa Nuvali. Yan, Nuvali, Laguna, Santa Rosa. Alright, then on the 18, ako napaka-importante nitong 18 kasi first day yan, day 1 ng National Astronomy Week. And meron po kaming free lecture symposium, alright, na pinamagatang Astrobiology 101. So, ang topic po ay Astrobiology, may aliens ba? Ayan. So, the search for extraterrestrial life. Ito yung gagawin sa Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. It will be held sa level 2 food court. Yan, magtatayo pa sila ng stage doon for the lecture symposium. So, please check out yung aming Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. And ang registration po niyan ay libre. So, wag po kayo mag-alala. Libre po yan. Mag-register lang po kayo para malaman lang po namin yung number of attendees. Kasi bibigyan po namin sila ng certificate, e-certificate for attending the symposium. So, I would like to invite yung mga estudyante na nakikinig po, lalo na yung mga estudyante. So, please come and listen to this talk, no? Para maalis na yung mga agam-agam. Talaga bang may aliens? Talagang may life ba? May buhay ba that can exist outside planet Earth? So, sasagutin po natin yung mga katanungan na yan dun sa symposium na yan. So, pakikalat po, no? I would like to invite yung mga school administrators na nakikinig po ngayon or mga estudyante na nakikinig ngayon. So, please join us on Feb 18. 4 o'clock po yung symposium. Level 2, Food Court, Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. Maiksi lang po yung lectures, yung mga 1 hour lang yan. And this will be followed by a free public telescope viewing sa parking area naman. Ayan. Okay, so yan, maganda po yan. May lecture na, may free telescope viewing pa. And lahat po yan ay libre, walang bayad. And I would like to acknowledge our appreciation to Robinson's Place, Las Piñas for their continued support sa Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Alright. Okay, then probably yung Wednesday, I think Feb 21 is a Wednesday, ang Bedan Society of Young Astronomers or BSYA, we're planning to conduct a free public telescope viewing at Menjola Street. Ayan. So, ipasasaka namin yung Menjola and we will set up our telescopes dyan. Okay, in celebration of the National Astronomy Week. Ayan, so kung magagawi po kayo sa Manila, sa may Menjola, please come and join us for a free public telescope viewing. Okay, Feb 21 yun, or 22. Wednesday. Okay. Alright, then, sa Sabado naman, Friday, no? Yung Friday na yun, I think it's 23, Feb 23. Meron po kaming astro camping event sa Felix sa Taytay. And then the following day, Feb 24, meron din naman po kaming stargazing event sa San Beda College, Alabang. Ayan po. So yun yung mga activities namin lined up in celebration of the National Astronomy Week 2024. Ayan. Pero ang importante po yung 18. So libre po yung event na yan. Yung astronomy lecture, Astrobiology 101, libre po yan. And after the lecture, that will be followed by a free telescope viewing. Again po, libre po ang registration, walang bayad po. So, please check out our Facebook page, yung Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas, sa registration link, no? So, gusto ko lang malaman kung ilan po yung a-attend. So, please register po. Yan. So, na yung registration link na sa aming Facebook page. So, do check it out. Ayan po, no? Maraming salamat po. And again po, sa mga katututok lang po, may dalawang Skywatchers po na nakatutok po ngayon. Maraming pong salamat. Shoutout po sa inyo. We are observing the last quarter moon. Ayan, no? So today is Feb 3, 2024, early morning of Feb 3. Ako'y giniginaw na dito sa kalsada. So nandito po ako sa gitna ng kalsada sa amin dito sa Las Piñas. So, please comment down below. Alright, so shout out kay RN Chap. So, watching from Delaware. Wow! That's in the US of A. Wow! Delaware. Naku, nakakaabot na pala tayo sa US of A. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you so much, Mr. RN Chap. Siguro nurse ito, si Mr. R.N. Chap. Okay, thank you for your comment. And mag-comment po kayo para malaman ko po kung saan nakakaabot ang ating live stream. Like, ito pala, Delaware, nakaabot na pala tayo sa Delaware. Yan, good job, sir. Nakasubaybay ako. Yan, thank you po. Yan. Oh, yan. Sabi ko na nga, RN, kasi nurse. Yan. Alright. Marami pong salamat, Mr. RN Chap from Delaware, US of A. Yan. Thank you for watching. Diba nakaka-relax, no? Pag nanonood tayo ng mga ganito, yung buwan. Ayan. You don't have to go out. Siguro sa US, malamig na yun, no? Alright, so thank you po. 3 p.m. dito hapon. Wow. Alright. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. R.N. Chap, all the way from Delaware. Ayan, so saludo po ko sa mga nurses dyan, yung mga nasa medical field. Kung saan man po kayo ngayon sa abroad. Keep up the good work po. Ayan, so proud po kami sa inyong lahat dyan. Alright, so please comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging this early morning of Feb 3, 2024. And again, we are viewing on screen our last quarter moon. Nangyayari dito sa ating camera at nagpo-focus. Ayan, kitang-kita po yung mga lunar features like yung mga dark areas, those are lunar plains, mga patag po yan ng buwan, and yung mga bright areas are lunar highlands and impact craters. And again po, please like and share. I-share po natin itong online telescope viewing para makita po ng maraming tao. No? Lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin dyan, no? Para ma-inspire naman sila. Ito yun ang aming advocacy dito sa Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Now, we want to bring the telescope and our passion for astronomy to the public. Ayan, may naalala po ko, speaking of nurse, no, Mr. R.N. Chap, I am a former student. no? So ano siya, officer po siya ng Vedan Society of Young Astronomers way back then. And nagano po siya, he lalaki po to, he chose to enter the medical field as a nurse sa UST. Ayan, so ano lang, he passed the nursing board exam, and I think nag-apply po siya sa St. Luke's, no, Medical Center dyan sa Taguig. And siguro para malaman ni Mr. R.N. Chap, this guy, itong aking former student who is also a nurse, he loves astronomy, and in fact nangongolekta po siya ng mga vintage telescopes. Yan, and nung pista ng Santo Niño sa San Beda, kasi nagpa-telescope viewing din po kami. The event is called Beda Under the Stars. Tinulungan po niya ako to operate one of my telescopes doon. And ako'y natutuwa dahil nurse siya, nasa St. Luke's, pero he loves astronomy. Yan, kaya ako'y natutuwa kay Mr. R.N. Chap, no? At talagang nakikita ko he loves to view the moon. Yan, alright. Oo naman, Mr. R.N. Chap, pwede po. So I declare that you are now an honorary member of the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Maraming salamat po, Mr. R.N. Chap. Talagang you are an inspiration po. Thank you po. Nakabili ako sa Amazon ng, wow, Dobsonian, 10-inch. Papa. Okay. Alright, Papa. Linis. Soon. Alright, wow. Sana all. Okay, meron akong 6-inch Dobsonia, pero ito 10-inch. Malaki yung aperture niya, sir. Aba, sana all. Alright. Frustrated ako, astronomer. Ako din. Hindi lang nag-prosper kasi wala. Pero ngayon, sir, maraming sa US, maraming mga affordable telescopes dyan, lalo na yung Dobsonian. Alright. So, thank you, sir, and just keep up the good work. Yan. Always keep looking up. Okay, so ang Dobsonian po is parang modified Altazimuth mount telescope. Ang movement po niyan ay up and down. Alright, and ang gumawa po niyan ay si Dobson, John Dobson, yan, who is also the father of street astronomy. Yan, si John Dobson. Okay, yes sir. Oh, you're now an honorary member of the Skywatcher Society. Malay niyo pag uwi ninyo, then you can volunteer in one of our stargazing events or yung mga free public telescope viewing sa mga malls. Alright. So, please comment down below po sa mga bagong katututok lang. Comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging this early morning of Feb 3, 2024. Yan, sana all sir, Sir R.N. Chap, no? Talagang pangarap ko din magkaroon ng ganyan na 10-inch, malaki yun 10-inch Dobsonian. Yung Dobsonian ko po 6 inches lang yung diameter ng mirror. Maganda yung 10-inch kasi the principle of the telescope, the bigger the telescope, the more light it can gather, and the more light it can gather, the higher the resolution. But again, resolution can be dependent on other factors, no? Like yung eyepiece, yung kung anong klaseng mirror, kung spherical yan or parabolic. Yan. So ano yung sir? Ano yung tatak? Is it a Skywatcher Or ano ba yan? Mead? Mead. O yan, mead. Kaya lang mahal po. Mahal talagang mead. Oh. Alright. So, anong tatak, sir, ng dob ninyo? Oo, mahal talaga ang mead. Kasi branded po yan, may pangalan ang mead. Yung mga Japanese made telescopes like Vixen, Mizar, yan, magaganda, or Takahashi, magaganda rin po ang klase yan. Pero yung Mead, Skywatcher, yan, medyo may kamahalan po yan. Alright, yan, for $50. Ako, mahal po talaga. Alright, right now I am using a second-hand Vixen. This is a Japanese telescope, Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. Yan, parang din yan. Kaya lang this is mounted in an equatorial mount. Yung kay Sir Chap is a Dobsonian. Oh, Skywatcher. Magandang klase pong Skywatcher telescope. You're lucky, Mr. R&N Chap. Wow. Magandang klase po ang Skywatcher. Ako, sana all. Nainggit tuloy ako. Yan, pero good job, sir. So, gamitin niyo po yan, no, in your hobby sa astronomy. Alright. Okay yan, sir. It's good that you took the opportunity na bilhin niyo po yung Skywatcher na yan. Yan, walang Skywatcher po dito sa Pilipinas. Nako, napakaswerte po ninyo. Kung meron pong Skywatcher dito, mga second hand po. Yan. Alright, so very good. Nako, sana all, Mr. R&N Chap. Nako, maraming salamat. Okay, thank you for sharing po sa inyong passion for astronomy. Oo, mahirap dito kasi mag-skywatching minsan kasi yung lens nagwe-wet. Oo, dahil malamig, yun nga lang. Kaya usually po ang mga telescopes may fan sa mirror. Kung napansin po ninyo, especially yung mga telescopes nasa mga cooler countries, meron silang fan, no, para maiwasan po yung condensation sa mirror. Ayan. So, kung may fan po yan, dapat gamitin nyo po yan para maiwasan po natin yung condensation sa loob ng inyong telescope. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, hindi naman ganun kalamig. So, there is no need for the fan. Pero in cooler countries like sa inyo po, sa Delaware, ayan, kailangan nyo po yan. So, gamitin nyo po yan, yung parang fan na yan para maiwasan po yung condensation sa loob ng telescope. Filters, no? Okay. Anong klaseng filter po, sir? So, kasi may solar filter for you to observe the sun safely. And meron tayong mga regular filters sa eyepieces like yung mga moon filter and yung mga colored filter pa for astrophotography. Yan, no? Oo nga, tama sir, medyo magastos. Yan, pero hindi ako masyado kasi sa astrophotography. Though minsan I tried to take pictures of deep sky objects like yung Orion Nebula, pero ang talagang focus ko is astronomy outreach. So I am bringing the telescope sa publiko, yeah, sa mga malls, sa mga public places, sa mga eskwelahan. Yeah. Pero sometimes I also engage in astrophotography. And in-upgrade ko din po yung mga eyepieces ko. Yeah. Like, kabibili ko lang po ng tawag nito, yung Bino Viewer. Ayan, Bino Viewer. Mahal pala ng Bino Viewer. talagang mahal. Pero if you love the hobby, no, lahat may paraan. Ayan, moon filter. Maraming murang moon filter, sir, sa US. Yan, yung mga moon filters ko po, nabibili ko lang sa Lazada. Ayan, alright. So, keep it up, Sir RN Chap. At talagang ako'y natutuwa at we are engaged in astronomy. Yan yung medyo may kamahalan lang tong hobby. Pero, yakang-yaka naman. Motor drive. So, pag Dobsonian, medyo mahirap ang motor drive yan, unlike pag naka-equatorial kasi. Pero anyway, meron naman mga motor drives for Dobsonian telescopes available. Sa Amazon, I think meron, sir. So, check nyo na lang. Pero kasi pag Dobsonian, medyo mahirap ang motor drive mag-install sa Dobsonian. Pero pag equatorial mount, EQ mount, walang problema. Alright. Yan. Pero sir, kung wala pa kayong motor drive, imano-mano nyo na lang muna yung pag-track. Yan. Alright. Sige sir, no problem. Basta pag-uwi nyo dito sa Pilipinas, just message us and you can join us in any of our astronomy events sa mga malls. Yeah, thank you po for this conversation, Mr. RN Chap, all the way from Delaware, US of A. Yan, maraming salamat. And shoutout po sa dalawang Sky Watchers na nakatutok po ngayon. And again, don't forget to like and share this online telescope viewing, no, para makarating po sa maraming tao. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there so that they would be engaged and they would be inspired to love the sciences. Don't forget also to follow us on our Facebook page, the Sky Watcher Society of Las Piñas and the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers. Yan, and mag-comment po kayo kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging. Today is the last quarter moon, Feb 3, 2024. Yan, and kitang-kita po yung itong Copernicus crater, yung napakalaking butas na yan, no? Yan, kitang-kita yung Copernicus crater. And yung bahagi ng Montes Apenninus mountain range. Fantastic. Alright, and I am using a Vixen, second-hand to Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. And by the way, kung nakikinig pa si Mr. RN Chap, no, itong telescope na ito, I bought this second hand, pero sira po ito. Alam niyo, sa mga Japan surplus shops, diba? Sira, maraming dents. Buti na lang yung mirror, ayos na ayos. So, it took me about 6 months, no, para maayos ito. And lo and behold, no, ganda-ganda ng image na binibigay nitong second hand, resurrected telescope. And, alright. And ito yung ginagamit namin sa Sky Watcher Society of Las Piñas. Alright, so this is the last quarter moon. Ayan. Nagpo-focus yung ating camera. Ayan, no? Very crisp and clear yung image. Alright, so siguro bago po tayo magtapos, again, gusto ko lang po i-plug yung aming activity as part of our celebration of the National Astronomy Week here in the Philippines. So, National Astronomy Week, magsisimula yan Feb 18, actually Feb 18, and it will end on Feb 24. So, sa Feb 18 po, meron po kaming free, no? This is a free astronomy lecture symposium entitled Astrobiology 101. May aliens ba? Ayan po, no? So, ang lecture na ito will be focusing on the search for extraterrestrial life. Yan, meron bang buhay sa labas ng Earth? Okay, posible ba yan na may buhay sa labas ng Earth? Within the solar system or even outside of the solar system? So, yun po yung sasagutin ng ating lecture symposium. Sa Feb 18 yan, sa Level 2 Food Court of Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. Alright, and 1 hour lang yan. And this will be followed by a free public telescope viewing sa parking area ng Robinsons. Alright, so pakikalat lang po at para invited po lahat. This is open to the public. Ayan. Okay, sabi ni RN Chap, actually, ang Rome naniniwala na sabi nga nila phone Rome. Alright, so thank you Mr. RN Chap. Yung ginagamit ko na app, Skywalk at oh yes sir, maganda yung Stellarium. Yun din po yung ginagamit ko, Stellarium. Oo. And siguro I can also recommend Mr. RN Chap yung Astro Hopper. Yan. Hanapin mo sir, Astro Hopper. Then you can use that as a finder scope. Yan, app po yan. So you can check that out sir, Astro Hopper. Yan. And if you want to predict po yung weather condition for stargazing, you can also check out Night Shift. Ayan, napakagandang app po yan to help you assess yung weather condition for stargazing. The app is called Night Shift. Ayan po. Ayan, so dalawa po sir, yan, para mag-improve po yung mga apps po ninyo, madagdagan. Yan, yung mga apps ninyo for astronomy. So, yung Stellarium, very common po yan. Meron pa sir, yung Astro Hopper. Yan. And yung Night Shift. Okay. Oo, talagang maraming light pollution. Kaya nauuso na rin dito sa yung street astronomy. Pero okay lang yan. Pero pag if you want to observe deep sky object, talagang kailangan po nyo ng medyo madilim. Dito sa Tanay Rizal, marami dyan. Yung may lugar doon ang tawag Big Handy Grounds. Ayan po. Ayan, maganda dyan mag-stargazing. Ayan, so do check that out, Sir RN Chap, Astro Hopper. Yan, maganda yan as a finder scope. Ayan, electronic finder scope yan. And for assessment of the weather, Night Shift. Ayan. Alright, no problem, Mr. RN Chap, and thank you for joining me, for keeping me company. Ako lang mag-isa dito sa kalsada. Ayan, so maraming salamat for the conversation, Mr. RN Chap, and hope to meet you soon. And marami pong salamat sa 3 Sky Watchers na nakatutok po ngayon. Maraming pong salamat, and please do like and share itong ating online telescope viewing. Okay, and sa mga nakatutok, please follow us, no? Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. And hope to see you sa aming event this coming Feb 18, yung symposium, astrobiology symposium, and yung free telescope viewing at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas, as our opening salvo for the celebration of the National Astronomy Week 2024. Ayun, so napakaganda po ng ating buwan ngayon. And mag-comment lang po kayo kahit tapos na yung ating live stream. Just comment down below kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging. Ako nga, natatamimi ako. Napakaganda po, napakalinaw ng telescope na to. Alright, so mamaya po I'll try to do another live stream. This time I'll be pointing the telescope at the sun. Kasi balita ko maraming sunspots. Gusto ko makita yan. Yung mga sunspots na yan. Alright, so shout out sa tatlong Skywatchers na nanonood po ngayon sa ating FB Live online telescope viewing of the last quarter moon. Ayan, so sana po kayo magsawa sa aking live online telescope viewing. Ito po yung aming advocacy, by the way, to share the telescope to you sa ating mga Skywatchers. Grabe, napakaganda ng buwan. Natatahimik na lang po ako pag tinitignan ko yung Copernicus crater. Grabe, no? Again, mga ka-Skywatchers, yung crater po na yan is 93 kilometers across. Yung biyahe ko nga from Calamba to Alabang is 33 kilometers. Ito 93 kilometers across. Biruin niyo yun. Napakalaking crater. And the crater is 3 kilometers deep. Biruin nyo po yan. Napakalaki talaga ng Copernicus crater. Meron pang isang malaking crater dyan, yung Tycho crater. Alright. The Tycho crater is, I think, 85 kilometers across. Malaki pa rin yan. Grabe talaga. And these craters were created from meteorite, asteroid impacts. So the moon was bombarded with these asteroids and meteors many millions of years ago. Now, that created these lunar craters. Kasi ang moon wala namang atmosphere, so dire-diretso po yung mga asteroids na yan, creating those craters. Unlike here on Earth, kasi meron tayong atmosphere, so most of yung mga meteors na yan, they burn up in the atmosphere. Pero yung mga malalaki, talagang dire-diretso. May mga craters din po tayo sa Earth. Kaya lang baka magtaka kayo, ba't wala kami nakikitang crater sa Earth? Kasi because of erosion po, no? Erosion basically had erased most of these craters. So yung mga malalaki lang talaga yung nakikita natin, like yung sa Arizona, yung meteor crater sa Arizona. Alright, and siguro you are aware that an asteroid the size of Texas bombarded the Earth about 65 million years ago. That wiped out 95% of life on Earth, including the dinosaurs. Ayan, no? Kaya magpasalamat po tayo sa asteroid na yan. If that asteroid missed the Earth, so ano kaya sa tingin nyo ang scenario? di yung mga mammals, maliliit pa. They are hiding under the nook and crannies of the dinosaurs. And the dinosaurs would still be roaming, ruling the face of the earth. So, yung mga mammals will not evolve. Walang primates and we wouldn't be here. Diba? Hindi mag-i-evolve ang humans. The dinosaurs would still be roaming the earth. Kaya magpasalamat tayo sa asteroid na tumama sa mundo natin. Pero siyempre, we don't want that to happen again. Magkakaroon ng mass extinction sa ating mundo. Alright. Alright, so maraming salamat sa dalawang Sky Watchers na nanonood po ngayon. Okay, so siguro kung if given the chance I will do another live stream later, pero I'll be pointing the telescope at the sun. If not today, baka bukas sa Sunday. Alright, so maraming salamat. Nilalamig na po ako dito sa kalsada. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Again, like and share po natin itong online telescope viewing. Yan. So again, you are viewing on screen our last quarter moon. Today is Feb 3, early morning. So 4:30 na po, magpa 5. Okay, so Feb 3, 2024, early morning po, and ito po yung ating last quarter moon. Siguro kung magla-live stream pa ako bukas, the moon will be in its waning crescent phase. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat, and gusto ko pala magpasalamat sa Don Bosco Mandaluyong Technical College. Marami pong salamat for inviting me last Monday for your stargazing event. Maraming salamat. And thank you din po sa San Beda University for our Beda Under the Stars, kasi we celebrated yung pista ng Santo Niño just last week. Marami pong salamat. And sa mga school administrators na nakikinig dyan, so we can facilitate your stargazing activity. Just message us sa Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Alright, ako'y natatahimik na lang. Ang ganda po ng buwan ngayong umaga. My gosh. What can I say? Yan, ginaganito ko na lang po minumove ko kasi ini-imagine ko po na para akong nakasakay sa Apollo spacecraft. Kasi po, lagi ko pong kinikwento na ang telescope ko, para sa akin po, the telescope is like a spaceship. No, habang nakatingin po ako sa eyepiece, I am imagining myself looking at the porthole, yung bintana ng Apollo spacecraft. Kunyari, nag-orbit tayo sa buwan. Ayan po, no? Ayan. Kunyari, nag-orbit po tayo sa buwan. Fascinating. Ayan po, ng ganda. Saka, ako po ay natatameme sa, ito, yung Copernicus crater na to. Ayan, napakalino ng telescope. Wow, parang abot ko na yung crater na yan. Ang linaw, super po talaga. Uy, nagpo-focus na naman yung ating camera. Ayan na po, naririnig na po yung tilaok ng manok. Alright, so siguro hanggang dito na lang po tayo. Maraming salamat. This is your Kaskay Watcher and Kaspacer, Sir Jun Kahigal, saying live long and prosper. And always remember, mga Kaskay Watchers, to always keep your space and always keep looking up. Yan, no, napakahalaga. So, Mr. R&, Chap, naku, huwag kayong masira ng loob kahit medyo mahal po yung ating hobby. Ganyan talaga. We always keep looking up and we are fascinated at the night sky. Thank you so much po sa mga nakatutok po ngayon. Ilagyan like and share po tayo. Maraming salamat. Namnamin po ninyo ang ganda ng ating last quarter moon. Thank you. Bye-bye po. Ingat po kayong lahat. Bye-bye. Don't forget, like and share.